Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of EURUSD in front of us, and the current market price is 1.0023. So EURUSD is still holding the important level of 1.0000. This level is extremely important for EURUSD. Not only this is a psychological support for the market, but also the central banks will be holding the level, because I think that it's a matter of pride as well. Okay, because if euro falls below this level, okay, then there will the consequences will be very bad. Okay, so the important players, okay, they are still holding the level, and I think they will give the best fight to hold the level of EURUSD here. And as per expectation, EURUSD is right now consolidating. We can see that though it is not going up, but still it is not breaking the support and going down as well. We can see that EURUSD is somehow trading in a range here. Yesterday, after the CPI, when EURUSD went up, it made a high of 1.0124. It made a high of 1.0124, and after that we saw some price rejection, and that was quite normal here. So this is the range of EURUSD now, 1.0000 and 1.0124 at the top. Okay, and if you look at the chart carefully, then you can see that the chart looks very similar to the chart of gold also. Okay, so let's try to understand the trading opportunities on the chart of EURUSD now. So if you're a day trader and if you're looking for some trading opportunities on the chart of EURUSD, then yes, obviously the first trading opportunity will come around 1.0000 level, because this level is a very crucial and critical level for EURUSD. So in case market comes down to this level, okay, then observe the market. Okay, if you find market taking support again, just like the previous times, then you can go for a buy position. With proper risk management, definitely you can go for a buy position. Okay, if you find market taking support, if you find that market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming a hammer kind of a pattern, or any good price rejection from below will do the job. If you find that yes, market is still respecting the level of 1.0000, you can go for a buy position. But in case during the European session or US session, heavy selling comes to the market, then obviously you should avoid taking a buy position. And if the size of the candle is big enough like this, you can consider taking a sell position as well. After all, you must understand it very well that no level is permanent in the market. So if market breaks the level with good amount of volume means participation of the traders. So if market breaks the level with good amount of volume, then obviously you can take a sell position below 1.0000. Okay, and this can be a good selling opportunity. And as already I have discussed in my previous videos also, that if EURUSD breaks this level, then we do not have any immediate support for the market. So things will be very dangerous. And my dear friends, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I'll be conducting the world's most affordable forex trading workshop. As you all know that every month or twice a month I conduct a workshop. So if you're interested in the workshop, then please check out the link in the description. Hopefully you will love it. Okay, and if you really want to take up trading as a serious profession, then I think this will do the job. And my dear friends, today we have some important events coming up. PPI, initial jobless claims, so this will also bring some volatility to the market, so you must be very careful. So if you look at the chart of DXY, then as always, DXY is flying again. DXY looks unstoppable, and because DXY also does not have any immediate resistance right now, so if DXY breaks this level 108.50, then again DXY will be flying again, and I don't know where it will stop, where it will end. Okay, and things will be very, very critical again for dollar, GBP, USD, Euro, USD. Okay, so keep your one eye on DXY, and in case DXY fails to cross this level and shows some correction, keep in mind, not a trend reversal. For a proper trend reversal, we need a big event right now. Okay, but if it fails to cross this level for today and shows some correction, red candles, then we may see some recovery on the chart of Euro USD, or in simple words, we may see some green candles on the chart of Euro USD if dollar for today, okay, reverses from here for the time being. Then what we can do then? For Euro USD, if it tries to recover or if it tries to go up, okay, you may find some selling opportunity around. Okay, you may find some selling opportunity around 1.010120 to 1.0130. This level will be acting as the resistance for the market. Why this level will act? You can see that already yesterday when it was going up, okay, this was the level from where market came down again. So this is the previous price rejection level. It means that sellers are present in this level. Secondly, you can also see that I have already drawn the Fibonacci retracement levels. So Fibonacci retracement level is also giving us the additional confirmation that this will be a resistance for the market. So two reasons. Again, you can see that the 50 moving average, the blue line, is also coming down. So if when market will be around this level, or when market will be in the resistance, the 50 moving average will also be in the same spot. So we have got three reasons. We have got three reasons to support a sell position. To support a sell position around 1.0120 or 1.0130 level. So under normal circumstances, okay, if the market is not news driven, listen to me carefully, if the market is not news driven, if there is normal volatility in the market, then definitely we can expect some selling around this level. If we see price rejection from above, or if we find market reversing from this level, then definitely we can take a sell position. But as I have already shown you that news is coming up, so in case of extreme volatility in the market, then you must be very careful and follow. If you want to take trade during news or event, then with follow proper position size, because it is very, very risky. Okay, so whatever you do, follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. A trader's first priority should always be the protection of his capital. Okay, so hopefully you have understood the trading opportunities for today. I do not want to go in detail because I do not want to bore you. Bye bye, take care.